Hi, I'm Stephanie Ventura and welcome to Blossom Harbour Inc. This is an all natural handmade soap. This is our bar Pure. That's the name of the bar. And it's called Pure because it's purest form of soap. Only has three oils: palm oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. And doesn't have any scent or any color. Is a bar of soap for those who have really sensitive skin and cannot handle any other ingredient. So this is the making of our sample bars that we sell on the farmers market. And now we also are gonna sell discoverable sets, which are boxes with all the soaps for each line, all the soaps in sample form, so you can try them before committing to a full bar. A Pure Serenity line, which is the line that this soap is part of, consists in three different soaps: Pure, Morning Glow, and Serenity Bloom. They all have the same recipe, which is only palm oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. Morning Glow and Serenity Bloom, they both have different colors and different fragrances. And then Pure, which is this soap, is totally pure. Why it's called Pure? So it's the most pure form of soap for those who have sensitive skin. And the Pure Serenity line, which is the one this soap is part of, is a line which is affordable, is the best value. And my point was to create a soap that is natural, is safe, is good for your skin, and also affordable. So out of all my soap, this is the most affordable line, and I hope you enjoy the video. I hope that you visit our website, and if you like the soap, to buy some. If you guys can please give us a follow and subscribe to see more content like this. I can't wait to share this journey with all of you. I appreciate you taking the time to see this video and supporting this small business. I will be talking every now and then throughout the video. I hope you enjoy the video. The cut of the soap is showed at the end. It has good ASMR for those who like that. Hope to see you around my online store and in this channel. That's what I used earlier, sodium lactate. The sodium lactate helps soap ready faster. Not ready because it helps the saponification, but because it helps to make it harder faster, so you can mold it faster. And then if you mold faster, then it cures faster, because while it's in the mold it won't cure properly because it needs to evaporate water. So yeah, so this is clay on clay. Something about me is that I have really bad memories. So if I leave to lay down because my back hurts and I come back, I might get confused. So that's why I do this. I don't want to leave anything to chance, and I don't want to double weigh the things again. So that's why I'm doing that. See? Instead of picking this one up, see? I tell you sometimes. water. 86. I do my soaps. I do the light water, half cold water, half ice, just to reduce the toxic vapors, since I'm working out of my kitchen and my family is here, and more importantly my mom is here and she's 36. So yeah, I have to be very careful of how I do stuff here. I have a freezer back in my bedroom, and I put the ice in that freezer for soap purposes only, so my family doesn't get the ice for the soap into water to the drink. Just in case, being careful. So some people, what they do is they do the light water, and then they leave the light water to melt the oils. What I do is I melt the solid butters and oils first, and then once they are melted, then I pour them into a normal container, a bigger one, so it can start cooling down, and then I pour the olive oil so it cools down even more. And then while I do that, then the light water gets cold, and then start working with them. They need to be close in range of temperature, and they need to be around 10 degrees Celsius apart from one another. That's the correct way to do it. There's a lot of more ways to do it. There's people that do it like I said before, but this is how it works for me. This is a respirator, and this is my goggles. I have glasses, but still need to wear goggles. And we have our ice, and we have our cold water. Let's begin. All right. Whew, this is a tough part. Okay. So this is my thermometer. It does record the temperature on Fahrenheit, so you're leaving it in Fahrenheit. So now we have the oils there. The stove is off, but they are on the top of the stove, not on, but it's still warm. So I'm gonna leave it there for a few minutes while I finish this here. So we have to dilute the kaolin clay. Okay, this is 127 Fahrenheit, so it has to go all the way down to 100 or so. 100, 110 max. Put it in the big thing first. It went down to 117 after I put it here, so it makes a difference. 96, 94. There you go. See, that's the secret. It's 122, so still a little bit. Let's start with the kaolin clay while that cools down. So in addition of the soap only being oils and lye, kaolin clay and sodium lactate. It does not have any color and it does not have any scent, so it's totally pure. And that's what the name comes from. So let's see how it's doing our water is doing. Let's see. It is 117. This one is 88. So it is getting uneven. So that's why I have my heated mat up there, just in case something like this happens, and you can get them both into the same range. When the light water has reached the temperature you are looking for, then this is when we drop the sodium lactate. We're gonna send it to our greenhouse, where I'm gonna put it in the bottom of the tent, and they're gonna gel there, and then tomorrow we can cut. So at the end of a day for soap making, I have to do a log in. Log in. This is for the soap itself. So this goes to the tent. Goes to the soap itself. This goes to the tent. And off they go to the tent again to wait for them to finish curing, and then to shrink wrap them. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and buy some soaps, and you can buy these soaps now in blossomharbor.ca. Have a great day. Bye bye.